Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to block pop-ups and redirects in Opera GX so you can browse without annoying interruptions. Let's jump right in. First, open up Opera GX on your computer. Now look at the top left and click the Opera logo. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down or click on Privacy and Security in the left menu. Under Privacy and Security, find the section labeled Site Settings. Click on that. Now scroll down and look for pop-ups and redirects. Go ahead and click it. Here's the important part. You'll see an option that says, Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Make sure that's selected. This will block most pop-ups and stop sites from redirecting you without permission. If you want, you can also manually allow or block specific sites by using the list right below. And that's it. Pop-ups and unwanted redirects should now be blocked. In Opera GX, quick, easy, and way less annoying. Hope that helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Opera GX tips.